Hello friends, how are we all? Trust all over the well. I hope everybody's had a fabulous Diwali. After Diwali, the next morning, we are faced with two things. Lots of sweets made of mawa. Mawa must not be kept and consumed after 48 hours. And a larger question, what to do with these sweets? So, I remembered. I was on a visit to Jodhpur. Now, Jodhpur is the famous destination of Rajasthan, which is famous for its beautiful, cleanest railway station. It is the cleanest city in India, and it is also famous for its Mehrangarh Fort and ancient buildings, beautiful city, bandhani clothes and salt from Pakistan, tea and dal bati churma, and for its kachoris. But one particular kachori that I found was mawa kachori. Now mawa kachori is a kachori where mawa is recycled, stuffed inside and made as a kachori. It's a wonderful example of how one can prevent wastage of food. Inspired by this, I decided to make the dish of the day today. The question is, how did I make it? Come, let me show you. So friends, how did you like the Doda Burfi Kachori? I'm sure you must have loved it, and I'm sure you are wanting to try it, and I'm sure you're wanting to treat everybody with it. So do go ahead, and till the time we meet again with another video or another recipe, is thanks for watching. Bye, have a nice time, and as I always say, to live healthy, cook healthy, and eat healthy.